So someone asked, am I fit enough for Everest Base Camp? So here's the deal. You really don't have to be super fit or anything crazy. It's honestly way more chill than most people think. The walking itself isn't like running a marathon or anything. It's basically hiking but at a really slow pace, and you stop a lot. Like tea breaks, catching your breath, just taking it easy, that's all part of it. So the standard trek from Lukla up to base camp and back is around 130 kilometers, which is about 80 miles in total. When you break that down day by day, you're usually walking somewhere between 8 to 10 kilometers a day, give or take. And yeah, that number doesn't sound huge at first, but the thing is, you're doing it at an altitude, so it definitely feels different than just walking back home. That said, the whole trek is actually set up so your body has more time to adjust, and honestly, that matters way more than being ripped or super athletic. If you can walk like 8 to 10 kilometers a day at a chill pace, take breaks, and just keep going day after day, you're good to go.